This 5-minute solution will show you how to download and install Minecraft for free. On your computer, open a browser and simply type here Minecraft download, and now click on the first link and you will jump into Minecraft download page. Here you can download Minecraft installer for your Windows 10 and 11. Scroll down a little bit and here you will get a bunch of different options. You can download Minecraft for your mobile device, Android and iOS also. You can get Minecraft server software here. So I'm using desktop computer, Windows 10. So I'm clicking on this download launcher button. And as you can see, the Minecraft installer is downloading. Once it is downloaded, click on it to run the installer. Click on run. Check this box and click on install. And as you can see, my Minecraft launcher is started to install, and it may take some time to successfully install it. It depends on your internet speed. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.